on the way back. Heading back now. It's a better view on the way back, actually. There's some trailers for sale. Lots of parks, trail parks in this area. This is going from Northville into Grand Band, like going towards Grand Band. A lot of deers here. Gotta watch out for on this road. A transport truck hit a deer once, and we had a van at that time. My ex and I, we had a van. He's gone now, he's passed away. But we had a van, and there was a transport truck that hit a deer, and we didn't see the deer, but it was still on the road, and the transport truck had turned already on the side. And so we ran over the deer that was already dead with our van. We got a lot of pine trees there. Pine is very good for a lot of things. Pine needle tea and all that good stuff. They make a dessert in China from the pine pollen, and they make it powder, and they make a dessert from it. I saw it on YouTube yesterday. But yeah, pine is like the most resilient tree that never loses its leaves, or its green, I should say. And I'm going to show you the market that's up here. It's coming up shortly. Maybe I'll stop a little bit and record the market a little bit, but it's empty right now, obviously. I think it's in May when they start coming to the market. I'm hoping I can go to the market this year and get to know some other market goers and vendors and stuff like that. Get to know some vendors out there. Again, I've been there once with my stuff, like my studio, like my tarot and stuff, and my oracle readings and stuff like that. So I'm just going slow behind this car because I'm gonna record that place a little bit for you guys. I haven't come down here in a while. Nice drive. My car needed a little drive, I think, just to shake off a lot of the snow that's been building up that I couldn't get off. So it's up here. This car in front of me could go a little bit faster. There's a bike route here too. You can bike here. There's a Pinery Park over there on the other side. That's like where you can go camping. I missed it kind of, so let's keep an eye on this one. Where I'm going to show you guys. It's coming up here shortly. Pinery Park, it's called the Pinery Park. General store, fire. That would have been cool to go down that hill, the sand hill in the snow when it's snowing. I have my camera a little bit for people. There we go. Oh, this is the van I want to stop and see. I want to see it. All right, let's check out this van. Oh, look at that. Could that be my van maybe one day? Let's see. Let's go see it. Let's go look at it. Let's go see if it's for sale. I don't know. I think it's for sale. What's this private property? Oh yeah, it is for sale. Of course it is for sale. So look at them tires. Woo! So let's check a video of the number. It's a diesel, 6-cylinder diesel, 2014, 2,000 kilometers. And it has that like rough feeling. It has like it's been wrapped with something. It's green. It's like emerald green. I wonder if it's open. No, we can't. Oh, let's see if the other side's open. I don't know if there's anybody here. No, we can't even look inside it. It's for sale. Could that be my van? That's pretty cool. And I think, I don't know. It looks like this side opens. Something opens over here. Maybe they closed it all off. I don't know. But it's really cool. Anyways. Let's go. There's no signs of what this place is, but okay. It's like a green van. That's pretty good. It's pretty tall too. I like it. Yeah, like it. All right, let's go. Let's keep driving. Let's keep driving home. Home, bound. Okay. Yeah, so that's a green van. It's green. All right, homebound. Hello, Icy. All right, homebound. I bet my dog, she misses me. Could have brought her, but I didn't know how my car was going to behave. It needs an oil change. But oh, here it is. It's coming up now. The pinery. It's coming up shortly here. Show you the pinery. Pinery. Pinery, pinery, pinery. There's another park over there. Lots of parks to go live or camp at here. No service. What does that mean? Oh, HD service. HD service. So I think it's up here. So hard to figure this out sometimes. Kind of sneaks up on you. Maybe it's past this corner. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, this is it. Right here. Okay, let's take a look, guys. Let's take a look. Oh, that's a garden center. I think we're almost there, though. Oh, here it is, right here. So let's turn our side so I can record this a little bit for you guys. So this is a pinery, and I'm not going to get out of the car, but yeah, there's the entrance, and those are all the tables and the places where you sell your stuff. And they have roofs over all of them. They have their own tables there, so you don't got to bring a table to this place. It's really cool. And yeah, so it's a big place, huge place. Lots of people here, lots of room here for people. I was about the middle the last time I was here. It was about in the middle somewhere. Right, I think in this aisle right here. But yeah, it's really cool to go there. So I'm hoping to go there this year. That's what this road where it's on. All right, we're gonna get on the road here. But yeah, so that's the place where they do that. All right, let's go. Let's go home. I'm gonna turn this off now. We're coming up to Grand Bend here, so I don't want to be recording and getting in trouble. Getting in trouble. Trouble, trouble, trouble. Ooh, trouble, trouble, trouble. Trouble finds me all the time. Trouble finds me all the time. Blessings find me more. Blessings find me more. Alrighty. I'll stop singing because I can't sing. Okay, I'm gonna turn that off now.